I'm going to show you how to make this crochet sunflower, or you can make this a daisy bookmark. And I did use an F hook, but you can use a smaller hook to make it smaller, or you can make it bigger with a bigger hook and thicker or thinner yarn. The pattern is down below, and if you need beginner stitches where you need to learn how to do the basics, the playlist is down below, and if this is too fast for you, you can place it in slow motion. I have a link on how to do that as well. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I am using medium worsted yarn for green, brown, and for the yellow for this bookmark. However, you could use a size 3 for the yarn, or even a thread yarn to make it smaller if you would like. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, you're going to slip knot onto your hook, work a chain 3, or you can use a magic circle, double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook in the first chain, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. You're going to have a total of 12, so insert your hook in the same chain and repeat, and that first chain counts as a stitch. So you have the 1 and then 2, so that's 3, and you need 12 all together. So repeat that until you get to the beginning. You're going to slip stitch into the chain 2, pull through, and yarn over, and then pull through. It's going to look like this. You're going to add your yellow yarn, so you're going to slip knot onto your hook, go into any double crochet, and slip stitch, and then chain 3, treble crochet in the next stitch, so yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then complete, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, chain 2, slip stitch into the second chain, and pull through, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab the yarn, and complete. And then chain 3, go into the next stitch, and slip stitch, and then chain 3, and just repeat treble crochet into the next stitch, chain 2, slip stitch into the second chain, treble crochet in the same stitch, chain 3, slip stitch into the next stitch, and then you're just repeating with a chain 3, treble crochet twice in the next, chain 2, slip stitch, treble crochet in the same, chain 3, slip stitch into the next stitch, and then you'll chain 3 and repeat. It's going to look like this, and then you'll repeat around. At the end, you have your chain 3. You can pull through and then take your yarn needle, so it looks smoother, and go right into the beginning stitch and just pull through. So instead of going into that last stitch, you can do it this way, and then it looks a lot neater. And then in the back, you just weave in your ends. And then take all of these ends and weave them in. For the leaf, you're going to chain 7. And then in the 3rd chain from the hook, you're going to work 3 double crochet. So we have 1, and then work your second one. And then 3. And then a half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, half double crochet in the next, and then single crochet in the next stitch, and then slip stitch in the next. Grab your yarn and pull through, and then chain 1, work on the opposite side, and then slip stitch in the next stitch, and then a single crochet in the next stitch, and then half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then slip stitch, and then when you're on top, you're going to slip stitch 1 more time, and then you can continue. This is your leaf. You can continue on with your chain count, your desired amount that you would like for your bookmark, and then you'll attach this to your sunflower. Okay, I did 55. I'm going to pull through, and then on the back I'm going to attach it about right here with my yarn needle. So just go in the back of your flower and attach the stem. Okay, now your bookmark is complete. If you do need this longer, you can make longer chains. If you want this smaller, you can go down a hook size or use thinner yarn. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. The pattern is down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.